What? Oh, okay, go ahead. Kelly?
Tradition's 100 on Sunday.
My birthday is Sunday and I'm turning 100.
No, she's turning 1,000,000.
I was here to witness the birth of Christ, so I'm pretty old.
She was a waitress at the Last Supper.
Alright. Square roots.
Also, hi, Kelly.
Very eventful morning.
Very eventful morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just gonna wonder why.
We'll fill you in. Radical sign.
It's not on YouTube.
Because we're doing square roots.
Oh.
Radical sign. This is a radical sign. It is not a check thingy. It's not division. It is a radical sign. Some people call it a check thingy.
Joseph, you should
That's
just
a
move
radical
seats.
sign.
That's a radical sign.
It looks like a square root.
This is called, that is a square root, but it's called a radical sign. This, whatever is underneath the radical sign, or in there, is a radicand.
Why do we need to know that? As long as we know how to
Trust me when I tell you, you need to know this.
We already know how to divide.
Republicans.
Republicans, what?
Radical Republicans from history.
Oh, yeah.
Negative square root.
Negative.
That's bothering me.
Looks like this. Negative square root looks like this.
Whoa.
You have a negative on the outside, and then the square root. For example, square root of 81 is what?
9.
9. That means 9 times 9. The square root of 25 is
5.
5.
Oh, we got time to write it.
That means 5 times 5. Next time, y'all better be ready to go.
I've been writing it.
I'll let you catch up.
I brought my pencil pouch.
Joseph, okay, that's great. I'm glad you brought your pencil pouch, Atalia.
No, also.
Thank you for announcing to the whole world that you brought your pencil pouch. Yeah, you owe us all pencils. Okay, now, negative square root. Negative square root. If I were to do the negative sign outside of that, it would be negative 9. If I had a negative outside of the square root of 49, what would that be?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. Very good.
Wait, is this what we're doing today?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 9 times 9, but you bring over the negative sign. 7 times 7, but you bring over the negative sign. Any questions so far? Can't have a square root that's negative.
Is there such thing as a circle?
It is not a real number. Now this is different than what I put up here. Let me show you why. For example, look at the difference when y'all have this written down.
Is there such thing as a circle?
Root.
Uh-uh.
Because it's inside of the I see
Not
why
real.
it's different. I see.
Do y'all see the difference? Negative on the outside, negative on the inside. Do y'all see the difference?
Yes.
Atalia, do you see the difference? Joseph, do you see the difference? Tanner, do you see the difference? Very good.
10.
So, for example, tell me, can anyone tell me why this is not real? Why can this not happen? Joseph.
There's a negative on the inside.
Okay, besides that, how could this not work? For example, positive 4, positive 4. That gives me a positive 16, right?
Oh, I know why.
Why?
Because you can't multiply. If it's not the same, if it's 4 times negative 4.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, that makes sense.
So if I did negative 4 times negative 4, that still gives me positive.
Yeah.
There's no way to have a number times itself to get, and just do it 2 times to get it negative.
And it'd be the exact same.
That's right. Exactly. You can't do negative 4 times positive 4. That's right. So do y'all get that?
Just got a thinking face.
Okay, hold on.
No, thinking face. She
Oh, this is fun. I guess it helps you think, but I tried that once. It didn't really help me think. So I wouldn't go with it.
It's actually a lot of markers.
Oh yeah, I've
You like
seen
to
her
draw,
whole
huh?
collection.
Yeah.
It's huge.
I like to draw too. I'm
Art
just not
supplies
good
is-
at it.
Yeah. I'll do an estimate of 96. That's five total.
Okay. Let's start with some examples. I don't like these examples. These are stupid examples.
Isn't it? Make a pyramid.
Oh, I got one. Because we've already done all these up here. Y'all get that. What if I do... Natalia's like,
Wow.
what is that?
Not
It's
real.
not real.
What about this?
Hold on.
Natalia?
Negative.
There you go. Joseph, do you have any questions?
Nope. Not at all.
I said not call him that. I said don't call him that.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
All right, simplifying.
$50.
Simplifying. Y'all ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be a fun.
I took that.
64, the square root of 64 minus the square root of 25. Ah. Let me show you how to do this.
Sure.
What is the square root of 64?
8.
Minus, what's the square root of 25?
5, so 3.
So 8 minus 5 is
3.
whoop whoop.
That was very hard. I want to do a multiply.
Okay.
Oh.
9 times 16
What?
over,
Ooh,
whoops, the square root of 9 times 16 divided by the square root of 81 minus 45. Oh, Joseph, let's go, man. Okay.
Can I do the next one after him?
So what is 9 times, so first, look, we're going to use this almost like parentheses, okay? So this is the square root sign, radical sign. So Joseph, what is 9 times 16? Shh, I didn't ask you, girl.
Oh, I have my graphing calculator.
I found my graphic calculator. It was in my backpack the whole time.
Oh my gosh.
I need to write that down on that paperwork.
What paperwork? What paperwork? Oh! Sorry.
144.
One what?
144.
I think so 134. So it's the square root of 144 because we haven't taken it out of square root, right? Divided by what is 81 minus 45?
36.
Okay, so look what I've got. The square root of 144 and the square divided by, this is Joseph's problem for the last time, girl.
Oh, I think I'm going to work this out now.
So now, Joseph, put that away, put that away, put that away. Joseph, what is the square root of 144?
12.
Divided by, what is the square root of 36?
6.
What is 12 divided by 6?
2.
Those.
There's your answer. So this looks crazy, but if you see how we solve it, it's one thing at a time. Any questions?
What if you have parentheses and the square root?
Hold on.
Like distributive properties within the
I'm about to
square
do one, and this is going to be Italia's.
Yay.
So negative, this is another example.
root.
Negative 144, negative square root of 144 divided by 2 times the square root of 25 minus the square root of 9 in parentheses. Okay.
Okay. So,
Whoa.
Okay.
Glare.
So the square root of negative 104 is negative 12. Then you have to do everything in the parentheses times 2. So you have to find the square root of those two first. So it's 2 times 5 minus 3, which is negative 12 over 2 times 2, which equals 12 over 4.
Negative 12
or negative,
over.
sorry, over 4, which equals negative 3. Yay.
Correctamundo.
My man. I thought she was doing the cheat codes for a second.
All right.
Assert dominance.
Okay. So, do we have it?
Yes.
Do we understand?
Tanner has
Tanner's like, yes, I understand. All right, so let's do another one.
totally. Look at that.
Joseph, this is yours.
Scaling.
Okay.
I have something in my hair. Oh, no, it's just a reflection. Okay. I've been having bugs attack me every night, so I'm paranoid.
Oh, yes, it's June bugs.
Yes!
They fly
I
into
had
you.
one large cockroach. Oh, that sends me to a whole nother level of, you know,
There was a
anyway.
slug on Tegan's backpack this morning.
No,
Ew.
no, I can deal with
Nothing.
maniac clowns with guns
No.
over a roach.
Oh yeah, I mean,
I'm serious. If some rabid clown showed up here with a gun, I would be calm and take him out. But if a cockroach were to fly at me at this moment, I would probably have a stroke. That is how my brain works. I'm serious.
I
Kelly,
almost ate
A bomb could go off in the building, and
We'd all
I'd
die.
be calm. But a
Nuh-uh.
cockroach crawl across my desk, I would vomit. Okay, let's do
I hope
this.
you're listening.
Yeah, poor Kelly. She's like,
Kelly's laughing.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, Kelly, you better be laughing.
better be.
Joseph,
Wait, what?
here we go.
Really?
Okay.
So, question. Joseph, what is this 3 doing with this whole thing? What operation?
Multiplication.
You are correct.
Yeah, man.
It's just like parentheses. I mean, really, you would treat it just like that. This number is right next to it, so you are multiplying.
My eye itches. Stretch it. Yeah, I am.
You can scratch your eye.
No, I'm like rubbing it. It's delicious.
Unless you take it
you ever get something in your eye, take both your eyelids and pull them out. It forces whatever it is to come. Like, just take your eyelash. Like
That
this.
is so weird.
I mean, it works, yeah. Yeah, it
I
pulls
mean,
whatever
like
it
the
is.
June bugs just fly you and stick to your ear, to your hair. My
No.
dad got attacked by them.
We had the windows down in my dad's truck one time, so we were just sitting in a parking lot.
Oh,
We were in the car, and I went to go grab something, and there was a June bug on my bag, and we were in the church parking lot downstairs, and I screamed bloody murder, and my dad's like, "What is wrong with you?" And I was like, "There's a June bug on my bag."
All right, here we go.
George, you hear that?
No, I'm busy.
Texting people.
Okay, what is 120 plus 24, Joseph?
Oh, I know. 144.
Okay, so this is 3 times square root of 144. What is the square root of 144?
12.
So it's 3 times 12. What is 3 times 12?
36.
There you go.
That was
Any questions?
No.
All right, open your book.
easy.
Bitch. Oh.
477. I can't look at 477. Oh, wait, hold on.
Number one. No. Number one. Can I do one?
Can I do
Can
one?
I do one?
All right, number 1. Oh my gosh. No, we're not doing that. That's
It's
dumb.
11.
Y'all know this. I'm skipping that.
You know
in
what?
fact.
I don't even remember how to find the square root.
What?
What do you mean? It's 11 times 11.
I know, but I know that.
You have to know multiplication.
I know. I'm just saying. I don't remember. There was like an operation that
No,
you
there's no
taught.
operation. No.
You just have to know it.
You just have to know it. You have to know your multiplication. That is it. That's it. Okay, I'm not doing that. That's a waste of time.
It's
Y'all know
11.
this. I know. Y'all know. Okay, 11. Y'all know it. I'm skipping.
Can I do another one then?
I don't even know why we're doing all this. Y'all know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Let's skip down to
30.
25.
Oh, I was gonna say 25. Can I do 25?
25.
Okay, my gosh. 3 times the square root of 120 plus 49 minus square root of 36. All right, go, girl.
No. Okay. So. Okay. So you have to add 120 and 49. So it's 3 times the square root of 169 minus the square root of 36.
I like the way your brain works.
What?
I like the way I have trained you to be me. You do it step by step. And that's
Yeah,
perfect.
I don't like that.
No, you don't like what? Do it step by step?
Yeah. But my brain just tells me just do it this way. I'm like, okay.
You just, so you know,
You wired me.
I did. Our brains are very similar. We've talked about that. And when you do one thing at a time, Atalia, it's relaxing of the brain. Trust me when I tell you this. Because all you're doing is focusing on one thing and then you rewrite it. And then you do another one thing and you rewrite it. For brains that are wired like ours, it's relaxing to the brain. Trust me when I tell you. All right, what's next?
Okay. So you subtract.
Nope.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Okay. So you.
What is the square root of 169?
13?
Yep. So this is 3 times 13 minus, what's the square root of 36?
6.
All right, what's 3 times 13?
39.
Minus 6.
Which is 33.
Any questions?
16.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
27. 5 times 98 divided by 2, Joseph, plus 4 times the square root of 25. So Joseph, you tell me what to do first.
98 divided by 7.
That's right. Gives you
49. No.
yeah.
Oh, it is?
So 5, look here, 5 times square root of 49 plus, we can go ahead and do this, 4 times, what's the square root of 25?
5.
5. See what I did there?
Yes.
So Joseph, what is the square root of 49?
7.
So 5 times 7 plus, we can just rewrite this, 4 times 5. All right, so PEMDAS, what's 5 times 7, Joseph?
35.
What is 4 times 5?
20.
What is 35 plus 20?
55.
Then there's your answer. Any questions? Let's do another. Natalia, 29. 4 times the square root of 169 divided by the square root of 144.
Okay, so square root of 169 is 13, so it's 4 times 13.
Over,
That's a
what's the square root of 144?
12.
12.
So you divide, you multiply 4
Mhm.
and 13, which is 52.
Over 12. Can 52 be evenly divided by 12?
No.
no.
Then you need to put it in lowest terms.
So I'm gonna start off small.
Yeah,
Divide
man.
by
I
2.
always do. You, see, this is our brains scary, but I do the same thing. I always start small.
Our brains are scary.
Divided, yes. See,
Why?
Tanner
We
thinks a
are-
lot like our brains are very similar too.
We are intelligent.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
That's why I get you. There's like a part of my brain in each of your heads.
What about Joseph?
Oh yeah, I get Joseph too. See, there's like a part of my brain in all y'all's heads.
I don't know.
That's why sometimes I look at you. So I'm like, maybe, like during my
Put
testing, I'll like look at you and like, what? I'm just thinking, and I'm like,
All right,
if I look at you, maybe I can like
get the
brain-
answer.
brainwaves.
Why do you think when people come up to me, they suddenly find the answer?
brainwave activity?
That's right. All right, 52 divided by 2.
That's sorry, 26. I don't know.
And 12 divided by 2.
6.
All right, so we got to do it again.
And I divide them both by 2 again,
Uh-huh.
which is plus you. Plus you.
Thank you.
Allergies.
What is it?
26 divided by 2 is 13
Over.
over 3.
And there's your answer. Any questions?
Yes.
What?
Can we put a decimal?
No, just leave it.
Okay.
If that makes you crazy, then do it.
Nah, not really.
All right, Joseph, last one. 3 times square root of 81 minus square root of 36. 31. Go, Joseph. Go, Joseph.
Oh,
Go,
it's
Joseph. I should start doing these things with the little camera here, down here. And no, it'll show me. It'll show me dancing.
You're
Go, Joseph.
You're a good
Go,
teacher.
Joseph.
She's a fun teacher.
Thank you. All right, so Joseph,
You should do it with the
square
camera.
root of 81 is
9,
minus square root of 36.
6,
So then 9 minus 6 is
3.
3 times 3 is. All right, so we're going to stop here. There is no time to do all the problems. So we're going to stop here. On Monday, when you come in, you will have your homework and you will work on your homework. Sound good?
Kelly will be back. Hopefully.
And that'll be fair because that gives Kelly some time instead of me teaching something on Monday. And we also didn't get behind because I do have to have a sub on Wednesday. So, it is what it is. I can go ahead and stop this video. See you Monday, Kelly.
Bye, Kelly. Please go here Monday. Please come back.
Okay.